Welcome to the Kedal Labs How-To series. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to create a Databricks-backed secret scope. Secret scopes allow you to securely store sensitive information like API keys, credentials, and configuration details within Databricks. Before we begin, ensure the Databricks CLI is installed and authenticated. If not, refer to our previous video titled How to Set Up and Use the Databricks CLI or the Databricks documentation linked in the description. To view existing secret scopes, run Databricks secrets list scopes in the Databricks CLI. This will display all available scopes, including those backed by Azure Key Vault. Create a new secret scope using Databricks secrets create scope, scope DB scope. Verify it by running Databricks secrets list scopes, where DB scope should appear with Databricks as the backing type, unlike scopes backed by Azure Key Vault previously. To validate the newly created secret scope, run debuttils.secrets.list scopes in a Databricks notebook. This will display all secret scopes, including the one you just created. Run debuttils secrets.list db scope to confirm the scope exists. Since no secrets are added yet, the result will be empty. To add a secret, run Databricks secrets put secret, scope db scope, key db host, string value xyz.com in the command prompt. Then, verify it in the Databricks notebook using debuttils.secrets.list db scope, where the secret key name will be visible. Retrieve a stored secret in a Databricks notebook using debuttils secrets.get db scope db host. The value will be redacted for security, but will be used automatically in jobs or notebooks when needed. Securely fetch stored secrets in a JDBC connection using debuttils secrets get db scope db URLs to protect credentials from exposure. We have now created a Databricks-backed secret scope, added and retrieved secrets securely, and integrated them into a JDBC connection. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Databricks. Thanks for watching.